Chapter 12. Propellers. Number 1. What is the function of a propeller? The propeller blades create thrust to push or pull an airplane through the air. Number 2. What is the difference between a fixed pitch propeller and a controllable pitch propeller? A fixed pitch prop is one that has a built-in blade angle that cannot be changed by the pilot. These propellers can have the blade angle changed by the manufacturer or an approved repair station to optimize performance. A controllable pitch propeller is one that can be changed by the pilot and is usually controlled by a governor that maintains a constant speed. Some controllable propellers also provide a reverse pitch and feathering. Number 3. How are some wooden propeller blades protected from wear and damage? By metal tipping fastened to the leading edge and tip. Number 4. What happens to the blade angle of a constant speed prop during a constant power drive? The blade angle increases to prevent an overspeed. Number 5. What are the functions of a constant speed propeller governor? It boosts engine oil pressure before it enters the propeller hub. It senses rotational speed of the propeller and then adjusts the oil flow to the propeller hub to change pitch, therefore speed of the propeller. Number 6. What is the purpose of propeller counterweights? Centrifugal force acting on the counterweights causes the blade angle to increase. Number 7. What is meant when a propeller governor is in an on-speed condition? The governor is not accelerating or decelerating, and the speed or spring and flyweight forces are in balance. Number 8. How is a constant speed feathering propeller feathered? By releasing oil pressure in the governor, the counterweights and feathering springs move the propeller into feather. This happens automatically if the governor oil pressure drops to 0 following an engine failure in most turboprops, or can be manually controlled by the pilot by moving the propeller control into the feathering detent. Number 9. What is an unfeathering accumulator? It is an oil accumulator used to provide oil pressure to unfeather a propeller. Number 10. What is alpha range and beta range, and where are they found? The alpha and beta ranges pertain to the operating modes of a turboprop reversible pitch propellers. In the alpha range, the propeller is operating in the standard constant speed mode, which is usually in flight. In the beta range, the propeller is operating in the 0 or minimum thrust range and negative thrust or reverse thrust mode, which is usually on the ground. Number 11. What systems are commonly used for propeller ice control? Fluid, alcohol, and electrical heat applied to the propeller blade root. Number 12. What propeller repairs can be performed by a certificated mechanic with a Powerplant rating? Only minor repairs and alterations can be performed by a certificated mechanic with a Powerplant rating. Major repairs must be performed by the manufacturer or a certified repair station. The propeller manufacturer's maintenance manual outlines the scope of repairs. Number 13. How are wooden propellers generally cleaned? With a brush or cloth and warm water with mild soap. Number 14. Where would you find the correct method and technique for cleaning an aluminum propeller and hub? The propeller manufacturer's maintenance instructions. Number 15. What type of non-destructive testing should be accomplished to a propeller after blending? The procedure recommended by the manufacturer. Number 16. What are the 2 criteria used by many manufacturers to determine the amount of blend damage that can be repaired by cold bending of aluminum propellers? The extent of the bend and its blade station location. Number 17. How can repair file marks be removed from an aluminum propeller? With very fine sandpaper. Number 18. When performing a static balance on a 2-bladed propeller, what position must the propeller be placed in when measurements are taken? Vertical and horizontal positions. Number 19. What is a propeller protractor used for? It is used to measure propeller blade angle. Number 20. What blade conditions can cause engine vibration? Vibration can be caused by propeller being out of track and or balance, as well as incorrect blade angle settings. Number 21. What is blade tracking? Blade tracking is a procedure that compares the position of the propeller blade tips in relative to each other. Number 22. What controls both manifold pressure and RPM on an engine equipped with a fixed pitch propeller? The throttle.